What's up, everybody? Today I'm unboxing the car crusher panel, and then I will unbox it. Look what we got. We got a nuclear wolf. Got a mask to put on him, and a stuck hammer that's stuck in a box. Here it is. Here's the stuff that he gets. Okay, I need this coin for my little bit ending of the video. Okay, and here's the Roblox guy himself. Hello. Oh no, he can't come off his head and his leg too. Okay, here he is. Say scratch here. What? There. So it's 2-9. So that means I have. So that means I have a bonus thing on my phone. Okay. First I will put this on. Look. Here. Oh no. For a sec. Here it looks like out of the package, and I just wear this on him. See it? I can't do it on top. Get a nuclear or something. Okay. Now do you see what I have? That's all. They have a lot of people to get. There's a lot of people to get. There's so many of them. Here we got here on Roblox. Here is electricity, Captain Roblox, Dark Matter, Overdrive, Atomic Waste, Kanisa, and Cicada, and Dynamo. And here's all the rest of them. Okay. And see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification button, and everything, you know, if I do some game skills that. Bye. Peace.